In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist in ClickUp. If you're someone who loves to keep things organized and thrives on being productive, having a solid checklist can be a game changer. So let's dive in and walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to go to ClickUp. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to the specific space where you want to create your checklist. Spaces in ClickUp function as primary containers, allowing you to organize tasks and projects dedicated to different teams or even individual projects. After you've located your space, select the task within which you'd like to create a checklist. You will click Open Task to proceed. Tasks in ClickUp are the core component for organizing your work, acting like containers for your checklist. Now that you've opened your task, it's time to add a checklist. Look for the Create Checklist option, which should be easily visible. Click on it, and a blank checklist template will pop up within your task. This is where you will detail out all the specific items or actions that need to be completed. A good checklist clearly spells out the steps necessary to achieve a particular objective, breaking down a complex task into simpler, manageable parts. Next, it's time to get creative with listing your items. Type directly into the highlights to add your checklist items. Highlighting important tasks within your checklist not only helps in keeping everything organized, but can also serve as a quick reminder of what needs urgent attention. Consider including priority tags, if ClickUp allows, to manage and prioritize your tasks effectively. With the highlights in place, click on New Checklist Item whenever you need to add another task or step to your list. This is especially useful when tasks evolve or new tasks emerge as a project progresses. As you work through your checklist, you can mark items as completed with a simple click, providing instant visual feedback on your progress. There you have it. Your checklist is now set up in ClickUp. Remember, the key to a successful checklist is not just in its creation, but in its practical use and regular updates. Make it a habit to revisit your checklists, add new items, or restructure your list as needed to reflect changes in your project timelines or goals. Whether you're managing personal tasks or team projects, a well-crafted checklist is your roadmap to efficiency. With ClickUp's intuitive structure, you can ensure everything is seamlessly organized for you and your team. Thank you for watching. Be sure to explore more features within ClickUp to maximize your productivity and streamline your workflow.